a different number, okay? Let's go in the positive. So let's do 24. Don't ask me how I'm getting those numbers. I just am. Okay. Run module. You lost big time. And you guys can keep testing this out, and trust me when I tell you guys that you guys will never find the loop out of this. You guys will never find the loophole out of this. The else statement covers everything else. That's why it's called the else statement. Now, let me give you guys an example of how we would use this in the real life, okay? Let's play a game where we want the person to enter a vowel, and then we tell them if it's a vowel or not, okay? So, vowel is equal to not int, just input. Enter a letter in lowercase. We're assuming that they're behaving, okay? We can do if vowel is equals a, print a is a vowel. Elif vowel equals to a e, print e is a vowel. Elif vowel is equal to I. I'm actually mentally thinking of A-E-I-O-U, so bear with me. I is a vowel. This is part of the reason why we didn't go into English. I is a vowel. Don't need that spacing. Okay. Elif. Elif. Vowel is equal to O. Print O is a vowel. Elif vowel is equal to U. I know this is very tedious, and I know I'm getting bored of it as well. Print U is a vowel. The life of the computer scientist. Well, actually, just the life of somebody who's trying to show you guys this. Elif vowel equals to U. Oh, not U. What am I doing? Why? Print. Go ask somebody who knows. Okay, it's A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. So go ask somebody who knows. And then we can do else. Else. Print. Your letter is not a vowel. Okay, let's run. This is super basic, super simple. I know. I should have saved this for the demo. Ugh. Okay, enter a letter in lowercase a. A is a vowel. Let's run it again. Run module. U. U is a vowel. Let's do something that's not a vowel. Let's be courageous. Very courageous people. B. Your letter is not a vowel. And now you will see that I can even enter more than one letter. Your letter is not a vowel. What if I were to enter more than one letter? Like AA. AA is a vowel. Your letter is not a vowel because it's not just a single A. I can even run again and enter an uppercase A if I feel mischievous, and it will tell me it's not a vowel. That's where the 3.3 lesson comes in, where we do or, not, and, but not right now, not at 1:22 a.m. where I barely explain things correctly, so we're going to leave that for another day. So now we just covered if, elif, and else statements. All we have left for is while and for. Okay, and these, just bear with me here. Okay. A good while statements, okay, while and for are loops, which means that they will keep going back and forth. So actually, I'm going to keep this back up here. Let's say I wanted them to guess every single vowel. So I can say for I, in range, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vowels. Enter. And then what we do is that we copy this all. Spider does not have this function, part of the reason why I hate Spider. Format, indent region. Ta-da! Okay, and now we'll repeat 6 times. Let's watch. A, E, I, O, U. I don't want to hide that. And Y. And it repeated 6 times. Now you might notice, you might be like, hey, I was about to say my name. Hey, why is there an I in there? Actually, we can put any variable. We can even put no variable. We could be like for something in range 6. But for the simplicity of this, and for the ease of explaining it, I literally just put I or X or C or V or any variable that you aren't using somewhere else. So if I was like X is equal to 4 and I'm using X, then I can't use it in the for loop because then it's gonna be like, what do you mean for 4 in range 6? Doesn't make sense. Okay. And that's a for loop. We can set it to be 6, 7, 100, 1,000, 20, 100. That's a for loop, okay? It will repeat the number of times that we did put into this bracket. Now, let's say I don't know how many times I want to repeat something, okay? Let's say I want X is equal to 4, Y is equal to 6, Y is equal to 8. I want X to equal plus equals Y. And then I want Y to equal X times 2, okay? So now if I were to put this into a for loop, for I in range 5, at the very end of this, I'm going to ask it to print X. Okay, let's run. Oh, see, I told you all this cool thing about indenting, and then I forget to indent. Indent region. Okay, run. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Why did it do that? Why did it keep going 12, 12, 12? Why did it not increase? Trick question. No, it's not. It's because I messed up. It's because these variables have to be outside of the loop so that it doesn't keep resetting. It's not like, let's reset X and Y. That sounds like a great idea. It's not. Don't do that. Run module. Okay. And now it increases. Ta-da! Now let's say I want this loop to keep going until we reach 1,000. Until we reach 1,000. There's no way for me to put that into a for loop. I guess there is a way for me to put it into an if statement, but how do I make it keep going back and forth and stop when it reaches 1,000? In comes the while loop. Okay. While. Guys, this is English. Think of it as English. While X is less than or equal to 1,000, then run this, okay? While this is true, while whatever next piece of information we enter is true, do the indented. Let's run, and then you'll see that it will stop on its own once it reaches greater than 1,000. Why did it not go? Oh, that's why. This is supposed to be a less than, guys. Obviously, I cannot do signs. Okay, you will see it ran how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, now we can change the parameters. We can be like, I want it to equal 4,000. Okay, let's run. You'll see it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Now, what if I was in a loop, okay? And I can change these parameters at any time. Right now, I know that it takes 7 times to get to 4,000. But what if in the future I change these numbers and I just want to know how many times it takes for it to get to 4,000? I can do a point count. Point count, which is equal to 1. And then we set point count equal to 0 up here. Now watch what happens. We're going to tell it to print x and print point underscore count. We're going to actually ask it to print this outside of the while loop. No, I accidentally deleted it. Print point count. Okay, let us run. If I didn't misspell anything, this should still work. Okay, the very last number here is going to be how many times it ran. 7. Ta-da! And that's how we use while, if, elif, else, and for statements. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Piece of cake. I will be doing a demo. If you guys didn't fully understand it right now, hopefully the demo will clear things up. Please, 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 I ask of you guys to like the videos, share the videos. If you guys don't have anybody to share them with, at least like and comment, because that does mean that it reaches more people. And I know that a lot of engineering programs are competitive, but it does help out, other people and my page as well. I know that sounds very greedy, but I only do have like 300 people that watch my videos in total. So if you guys could do that, it'd be very helpful. I'm not asking for a subscription. I'm just asking for a like, a thumbs up, a comment, yada, yada, yada. That comment could be a question asking me, hey, can you explain this again? Hey, can you do an example of this? And I will respond, okay? I have not gotten any of those requests quite yet, probably because our first 2 lessons are very elementary. But if you guys do have a specific question that you guys are practicing and you guys are like, hey, can you actually solve this for me and show me how to do it? I am more than happy to help you. Okay? Just make sure you guys leave a comment. If you guys know me personally, send me a message. And I will do that for you guys. Otherwise, look out for the demo. Sometimes I won't post a demo for everything if I've already done a similar example before. And I'll be like, hey, go look at that link. So keep posted with that. Check out my posts, okay? I do make posts of when I'm premiering the videos, important links, stuff like that. I do post it. So go to my page and go check those out. Otherwise, good luck.